of chemistry. Today my topic is basic concepts of organic chemistry. Organic chemistry major concepts: structural classification, hybridizations, charges of organic molecules, dipoles and dipolar resonance, isomers, functional groups and organic reactions. Structural classification of carbon atoms. Three main classifications are primary carbons, secondary carbons, tertiary carbons and quaternary carbons. Primary carbons denoted as 1' carbons, also called terminal or end carbon atoms, found at the end of the straight chains or the branches, covalently bonded to the one carbon atom. Secondary carbons denoted as 2' carbons, covalently bonded to two other carbon atoms. Tertiary carbons denoted as 3' carbons, covalently bonded to three other carbon atoms. This is example of tertiary carbons. Quaternary carbons denoted as 4' carbons, covalently bonded to four other carbon atoms. Example of quaternary carbons. Isomers, compounds that have same molecular formula, similar or different types of structural formulas, different arrangements of atoms. Isomers. Two main classes are structural or constitutional isomers and stereoisomers. Structural isomers, also known as constitutional isomers. What is structural isomers? Same molecular formula, different structural formula, different arrangements of atoms. Hydrocarbon chain isomer, positional chain isomer. Hydrocarbon chain isomer, different hydrocarbon chain skeleton. Position chain isomer, different functional groups. Position. Structural isomer, also known as constitutional isomers. Structural isomerism. Same molecular formula, different structural formula, different arrangements of atoms. Hydrocarbon chain isomer, different hydrocarbon chain skeleton. This is the example of hydrocarbon chain isomers. Position chain isomers, different functional group position. This is the example of position chain isomers. Functional group isomers, different functional group. Example of this functional group isomers. Stereoisomers. This classified to two types: geometric isomers, optical isomers. Geometrical isomers, it classified into cis and trans isomers. These are the example of geometrical isomers. Optical isomers, plus enantiomer, minus enantiomers. Examples of optical isomer is L-lactic acid, D-lactic acids. Stereoisomers, configurational, geometrical or diastereomers, optical or enantiomers, conformational or rotamers. Definitions: chiral molecules, when a molecule and its mirror image cannot completely overlap. They are non-superimposable mirror images of one another. Dextrorotatory or R+, a compound whose solution rotates the plane of polarized light to the right when looking towards the source of the light. Determining L or D configurations. Rank of the force substitution according to the atomic numbers of the atoms bonded directly to the double bonded carbons from highest 1 to lowest 4. Determining L or D configurations. If it is still the same atom for both substituents, continue down the list until difference is found, assign a ranking in the same manner. If a substituent has a double bond or triple bonds in a chain, it is counted as 2 or 3 bonds to the same atoms. Determine whether the ranking defined a clockwise or counterclockwise directions. If clockwise, the projection is an R configuration. If anticlockwise or counterclockwise, it is a S configurations. Today we see about basic concepts of organics and stereoisomerisms. Thank you.